Hi guys, Jamie from Indie Fiberart. Today I'm going to show you how I like to do the provisional cast on. So all you're going to need for this is some straight needles or double pointed needles. Mine are a size 13 to go with my super bulky yarn. And I have my working yarn and a length of scrap yarn. So I'm going to start with my scrap yarn. And I like to do the long tail cast on method, but you can use whichever is comfortable for you. And I like to use this cast on, the provisional cast on, for a lot of my headband designs because you can do a seamless join at the end and it just looks a lot neater. So I like to pair this with the 3 needle bind off. For this headband design, the Evangola head wrap, which is a cabled headband, I need about 12 stitches for that one. So you can just leave them, it doesn't matter that they're uneven. Now we're going to start with our working yarn, and it doesn't matter if you start at this end or the other side, it's just wherever. So I'm going to leave myself a tail, and then I'm just going to start knitting with my working yarn. And we're just going to leave this waist yarn in place until we're all done with the headband or whatever it is that you are making. And then at the end, we're going to pull it out, and it's going to have live stitches there that we can again work with. So it just kind of keeps them safe until we're ready to work them again. Okay, and this last one, you can kind of tighten up there. And that's how I do the provisional cast on.